Welcome to Wax Off. My name is Robina Rayasat and I'm a hearing aid audiologist. I'll be talking through our earwax removal videos, so let's see some wax. This patient, let's call him the High Sparrow. You're seeing the wax removal of another one of my very regular patients here, so you may see him make another appearance in future videos. He needs this procedure carried out every 6 months or so because his hearing devices really do start to whistle. So we're starting off on the left side here. You can see it's not a full blockage and there's a bit of wax that's just come away there. Now we're going back in to make some progress on the main part of the blockage, and you can see the probe embeds into the wax and the majority of it has come away just there. Now as I've gone back in to remove the remaining bits of wax, you can see that comes away really nicely. Suddenly an area of keratin is pulled up and I'm now switching to a fine tip here. And the reason why is because I wanted to reduce any clarinetting sound, any noise from the suction is reduced, and that's pulling it away quite nicely. It's almost coming away in one sheet and then it comes away very, very nicely there. Now I've re-entered the ear canal to remove as much of the keratin stuck to the side of the wall and the remainder bits of wax there, and it's coming away pretty nicely. It's a very long piece there that just got suctioned in, and you do get these kind of scraggly little bits on the side which are just not ready to come off, and it's best usually to leave them there because we don't want to cause any bleeding, we don't want to cause any trauma inside the ear by taking too much of that off. But the ear almost kind of guides you as to where it's ready to come off and where it's not as you're doing the procedure. So we're just suctioning off little bits of oil and the remainder bits around the periphery there. And it looks pretty clear to me now. And I think we're almost at the end of the procedure. So here is the final shot of the left ear. A pretty normal looking eardrum for the High Sparrow. A little dull looking, but this is normal for him and it's perfectly fine. So now we're going over to the right side. The right side is pretty similar to the left in that it's partially blocked, but the shape of the ear canal is much narrower on this side and it seems like there might be a little bit more wax here as well. So we're starting off with the normal probe tip, the larger one, and we're going in to suction the wax, and immediately you can see a large thick keratin layer is surrounding the wax blockage on the left side. And the wax comes away really easily there, but the keratin layer remains, so I'm going back in now to see if I can tackle that. I'm now resuming the procedure with a fine tip here, and there's quite a lot there. You can see it's just gently doing a very good job of peeling it all off and bringing it into one area, and there's actually a lot of keratin mixed with some wax there, and that has just come away, which is really nicely done there. You can see the different colours of the wax and the keratin. We're going back in to try to remove that remnant there, and it's really gone in very, very quickly. In quick succession, it's gone straight into the tube. I'm just trying to get that little bit there, see if I can take it off, and it's come away nicely. We're just going to try to get those stray little bits there, and I'm just checking to see if any of them are ready to come away, but it doesn't look like they are. They're quite firmly stuck onto the canal wall, and the blockage has been removed, so we're going to give a little bit of a try with a slightly bigger probe here. See if that can shift some of those little layers of keratin still stuck. But it doesn't want to come away, and we're okay to leave those on there. So here is the final shot of the right ear. Everything looks a little bit pink, and again you can see it's a bit more narrower on this side, the shape of the ear canal, and slightly dull looking eardrum, which is very, very normal for the High Sparrow and is fine for him. So thank you so much for watching episode 14. It actually feels like episode 114 for me, and I've enjoyed making every single video. I hope you've been enjoying them too, and I will see you in the next one.